Hi guys, good morning. So, ilolocate natin ang pagrampa for today's video ng mag-isa. Tulog pa sila so wala akong magagawa kaya lakad muna tayo. So, ayan guys.
JR 西日本をご利用ください。
Hey guys, bata pa lang tinatry na sila sa tamang pagtawid at pag gesture. Bumalik tayo dito kay Dito Man ng So, kay dito na naman tayo ng daytime. So, look tayo for today's video. Hindi ba siya guys? Apple, Celine, Dunhill, Prada. Big names. Second Street, yeah, yung tayo dyan. Guys,
Oh, that's nice. Thank you.
Okay na, marami na.
Video, nang picture.
Okay, thank you. Hi guys! Ito po ang Chutenkaku Tower. Ito po, may food hub dito.
May kotse dito.
Ka na?
Ang lapit ni guys. Siya talaga magpapabili.
I'll be alright. Why? Oh, because I got we do the food tours around here. During that time, it's just everybody said cheap food and cheap drinks.
.30 na ng madaling araw. Yan. Plus 1 hour kasi. Tapos mag-ice cream ka ng matcha. Yung alas 12:30 na ng madaling araw, pero trip mo mag ice cream. Matcha is the favorite. I see. Guys, ayan na po yung maleta namin, ready to go. So ayan guys, sayang sa akin, kala mo full pack.
Yung mga pinatabi ko sa'yo, ha?
Wala pong pasalubong na nabili kasi inako ko lahat ng mga pang winter clothes nila kaysa magbayad sila. So wag nyo expect guys ha. Pati lang sa sarili ko wala eh. Rilo lang. Hehehe. Leave ang mga bagahe namin. Ayan ulit. Evacuee. So ilang transfer kami? I think 5 or 6. Ayan guys. Okay guys.
Ano kailangan natin elevator?
Oh,
Anak, kailangan natin elevator.
gusto ng hapon mga linis kasi ayaw nila ng marumi. Ba kayo? Diba? Tayo ng hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep hooray! Ito diba? 29. Talagang visible ang 29 sa akin.
Ang shoes ka na ta.
Ganda, 29.
Ganda yun.
Ito may 29.
Ang problema lang sa akin.
Kakais ba tayo? Tingin mo?
Normal lang yun.
Nice one. Osaka. Guys, tingin nyo, nasa ibabo kami ng dagat. Sa airport. Mahaba. Dagat yun. Airport na. Sobrang haba. Bullet train pa yan.
車内にお忘れ物のないようご注意ください。
Attention please. We will soon be arriving out of the Kansai Airport terminal.
Train? Pinapagaan.
Pinapagaan.
Iba naman yun. Kapadan.
Terminal 1, back to reality. Naka-survive. Diba? So, yan. Ang sakit. Hirap ng bag na to. Diyan. Kansai Airport. Fly back to Manila. Two. Kasi ito na ngayon, ang surviving. Philippine Airlines.
Economic 6, 7.
Philippine Airlines. Philippine Airlines. Thank you, Ate Janet. Say thank you to Ate Janet.
Thank you so much, Tita Janet. Thank you po.
Continue. Yan o. Screenshot mo yung QR mo. Baka mawala eh. Okay, Ate Janet, thank you. Mga bata. Sabi, go inside now. Go inside na. Okay, saan? Wow, may ano, dolce, oh. Gusto. Wow, winner. Papawain tayo, guys. Beer. Hi, Sabi. Thank you, Ate Janet. Diba? Kahit oh, siomay uli. Okay. So, sashimi, bread, ganda naman ang view natin, guys. JR.
Thank you, Tita Janet.
Nalate silang dalawa kasi may bitbit si Tito Ani. Ayun, oh.
Namalengke.
Namalengke Ate Janet.
Namalengke.
Si Ate Janet.
Hindi, gusto ko sana nga, pareho kami kaya lang. Walang ay. Si Ate Janet, thank you, cousin. Gusto mo na opalite? Thank you. Han, mag-thank you ka kay Ate Janet.
Ate Janet, salamat po.
Sa uulitin.
Sa ulitin, God bless. I love you.
嗯，所以这个花，这个，因为我们也没有两个办法去搞定它。那我就再选这个。OK，那我们这边，其实是明天要做，要我怎么？
Puti mong gacha.
Gacha.
Gacha, mama.
Gacha, mama.
Bagay sa gacha.
Gacha. Gacha. Gacha. Gacha.
Ano po yan? Gacha.
Nagamit mo na siya ng 100 pesos. More walk. More walk. This is my favorite. Oh, huwag kang embang-embang mamaya, ha? Saki-saki ko dyan, ha?
sa other side. For today's video and notes with the view. Sampay. Guys,
Highlights number 4 and this one is number 1.
say thank you to Ate Janet.
Thank you so much. Thank you po.
Okay. Ano, sa akin ang wala. Thank you. Ang bata. Sabi niya sa'yo. Listen, wait up. Yung may ano Dolce, oh. Gusto. Wow, winner. Kakawain tayo, guys. Beer. Hi, Sabi. Hey, Kati Janet. Diba? Oh, so may uli. Okay. So. Sashimi. Red.
This is my favorite. Huwag kang itindong-indong mamaya. Sabi-sabi.
Ang sabi sa'yo. Video and notes with the view. Sampay. Ay, sige mo naman. Yan naman, oh, natanggol sa Beko. From here. Ganyan yung kay Maki eh. So, ibig sabihin maliit masyado. Medium lang, di ba? 20 kilo lang. So yan, ito na yung natanggal ha. From here. Yan ang laman yung bag ko. Doon na napunta lahat. Ayun. Doon. Tignan nyo. So hindi talaga ako nakapamili. Ayan o. Talagang yan. Para lang magkasya yan. Para hindi na Tumigay na isa, dalawa, tatlo. Ay, bupet. Tatlo. Ito lang natira.
The world is right. chasing time, lost in the future, obsessed with the next climb. But look right here beside us, just slow down and see the quiet, gentle magic that happens naturally. The way the light hits softly, the coffee's perfect steam, a scene too sweet for dreaming, better than any dream. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. These simple, honest treasures, we collect them one by one. These are the beautiful moments beneath the morning sun. I remember sitting silently, just watching you read a book. The comfortable, easy feeling in every single look. No need for grand pronouncements, no need for drama or noise. Just the pure, shared existence, filling us with joys. A sudden favorite song playing on the radio, a gentle, knowing glance, a quiet, peaceful glow. Don't let the small things vanish, don't let them disappear. These are the quiet anchors that keep us steady here. Hold your breath just for a second, let the rush subside. We're living in beautiful moments, we have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the unexpected laughter, the hand held in the rain, the sudden clear awareness that we won't pass this way again. The world outside is hectic, the volume turned up high, but we have our own haven beneath this quiet sky. We don't need a grand adventure or a spotlight on the stage, just a simple, soft existence on a brand new page. You're talking about your day, and the words are moving slow, and I'm just watching closely, basking in your gentle glow. It's the silent understanding, the way our shoulders touch, a beautiful small gesture that always means so much. I breathe it in deeply, a simple, true design.